Hey everyone, Jamie from Under the Sun Inserts. Just want to go over the installation process on the clear vinyl decals that you get from us so you can see the body color of your Jeep. First, you're going to get in a roll like this. We recommend that you roll it out so it flattens out for maybe a day or two. And then the next step, once it's flattened out, what you want to do is take the decal and cut along the edges so you get a little closer. You can tuck it in right on the side for applications. Pretty easy process. You also want to grab a water bottle that has a little bit of soap in it that you can use to spread on your vehicle on the back of the decal to make the installation process a little easier. So give a couple of squirts on that side, on your vehicle. Then you want to separate the decal from the paper, just leaving it on the transfer paper. You can set this aside. I put it in my pocket in case it doesn't blow away. Sometimes what I like to do quickly is just give one quick squirt on the back side. So again, it makes the process of installing it a little bit easier. Now you want to line up the decal to where the vent is. And again, this is why we do the liquid. So if you have to reposition it, you can reposition it. Now that you have it on, right there, we recommend using a squeegee. If you don't have a squeegee, a credit card will work. You're gonna just start working from the star side where the vent is, and work your way out, like so. Continue to work out. Work your way down, and then go where the stars are, where your fender is. We have the Rubicon model here, so the fenders are a little higher, but if you have a Sport or other models, the fenders will be lower and you'll be able to see that more clearly. Once that's done, the next process is just to remove the transfer paper and use the squeegee to make sure the decal is on. All right, that's in. And now I'll just take the squeegee and just press the decal onto the vehicle, working out any bubbles or kinks. You can use your finger too, it just presses them out real nice and easy. And there you go. There's the installation of the clear decal from Under the Sun Inserts. And don't forget to check out other decals that we do have for the Jeep emblems for the side, the rear of your JL or JT. And I'm Jamie from Under the Sun Inserts. Thank you.